to another NBK-Design video. My name is Annika, one of the creative team member from NBK-Design. The products you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative teamwork for NBK-Design. Now let's create our July sheet and let's jump into the collection from July. It's Season in the Sun, and in this collection we have watercolor papers, and I will use this one and bring it back. So this time we have one word in this blue, Cheyenne. Let's see if we will change this or not. So, and we have beautiful artsy bits here too, and I will use one of them and no photo because I think this is something typical for summer, this flip-flops, and we'll put it here in the middle, and a word art. So we have this is fine here. Minimize it a little bit. I think here it's good. And let's go back to the artsy bits. What else we can use? Or we have the flutters here, those butterflies, and I love butterflies, so of course I will use them. Resize it, and I need something at the right side here because I have the word art left, and for the balance I need something here, but I will flip it, Control or Command T, and then flip horizontal. So here. And we have our artsy bits and pieces pack 2 with more not realistic elements. They are painted but no brushes or splashes, so we can give it a shadow, and we have a little bit of depth in the page. So I will put it here. And we have some more. This one, resize it first, and again a shadow, and what else do we have? Yeah, this is cute. Let's use a dolphin shadow. Yes. Now we can make a new layer. Make the first layer active, and we make a new layer above all layers, and then we go to our collection, and we have those blender brushes, and I already installed the blenders here. Double click, and then we go to the brushes, and here are the blenders, or you can install them if you click on this icon here and import brushes or load brushes. And as you can see, they are the dynamic brushes which already have a color. If you have an older version of Photoshop, they will not have this color, but it doesn't matter because you can apply a style after. So let's use this one and paint a little bit over this bold area here. Okay, and again a new layer, and let's use another brush, perhaps this blue one, and let's paint a little bit in the calendar sheet, but we will bring back this layer at the end. Okay, yeah, that's it. I think it looks nice. You don't need much more, and the color of this word is fine too, and red is fine too. So we are done. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye.